What is going on, guys? Today we are in DUKEBOYZ garage working on Ty's new to him 2022 Canam Renegade 1000R XMR blah 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 blah, and we're putting an exhaust system in. So I don't know what for you Renegade guys, you probably know this, but this exhaust is pretty tough to do. You got to take apart the whole back bumper to get the old exhaust out. So we did that already, and now we've put it all back together. Now we're just getting ready to put the new exhaust in. We even had to take the shock out. Now he's just putting the insulating for his new RJWC pipe. Look at that bad boy. She's gonna sound mint. This was a lot more difficult than putting the exhaust on the Canam Maverick Sport. Just taking off the rear bumper and all the stuff. Even this little rack he's got here. You gotta take these nuts off, and then there's bolts underneath you gotta take off, and then there's bolts here you gotta take off, and there's bolts there and bolts up in there, and freaking you gotta take the voltage regulator off on the other side.
Don't forget the flux capacitor, Nick.
And freaking you gotta take all this apart. Now we gotta still get zippy ties up in here and fix it.
Yes, good idea.
But we're just getting ready to put it on. He's just cleaning it up.
Out too, Nick.
Jeez, this guy is so needy.
Whatever.
Can you do this?
The dummy there.
So this is the FUD. The exhaust sits right in here. Well, we just got it loose because we might have to turn it around. I'm just gonna put the pipe in now.
That's right.
This one goes at the front. Shove it in the hole there, Ty. Clamp goes down there.
Like so.
So we gotta get the can, this clamp. Yeah, you wanna put it in or you want me to do it?
I'll let you try this. Perfect.
Pipe's gotta go in like this. So that goes like this.
Oh, and the spring goes from there to there.
Yeah.
Okay, to hold it. Okay, that's smart. Oh, you gotta put that first and then slide it in. Okay.
Alright, so we got it all configured here. You want me to clamp back so you can get a ratchet on it. You got that one on.
Alright.
Now this one. Now we gotta tighten up this one. Oh. Alright, springtime. Luckily Can-Am sent me a tool for my exhaust. Remember that tool? This thing is a lifesaver. Put that like that, and then...
Oh, that's nice to have.
Here you go, buddy. Oh, there goes the light again. That's why that light is a pain in the ass, man.
I like having light there, Nick. I don't have eyes like you do.
I don't have eyes like I do either. I don't know what you're talking about. There you go. Now we just gotta get this shock back on and tighten up the can. Ty's just finished putting on the shock here. On this bracket now that holds it.
There's 4 of them, right?
Yeah. Yes, there's 4 of them. This looks like it's gonna be a pain in the arse to tighten.
Yeah. You know what? I will take that. Yep. That's what I'm looking for.
So he's doing the bolts for this right here. Ty's just tightening up these 2 bolts down here for the mounting bracket, which are 13 mil. Here we go. Look at that RJWC in the middle. Ty's gonna go get some brake cleaner and wipe that bad boy down. Ty's just having a bad day today. He pinched his finger in his ramps when he was unloading it, and now he just poked his thumb with the freaking heat shield. Let's listen to this bad boy.
Thanks, bud. You're the best, Nick.
So Ty,
Yes, sir.
how fun was it putting this exhaust in?
Out of 10, I'd get it about a 2-ish.
A 2-ish?
The quality time with my buddy Nick and Sean Go. Yeah, learning experience, but fun though. Definitely fun. Don't want to be in any rush to do another one, let's just say that, but hey, at least we know what we're doing on the second one.
Yeah, at least we know we have to take the rear bumper off.
Yeah.
Anyways, that's going to be it for this video. Make sure you hit that like button, that subscribe button, and hit the bell notification to get notified when I post videos. That'll be it. This is Nick Mac, out.